Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today I'm your IOTA trading informant. Why? Because IOTA is also going down really hard. Not so much as the most coins, but it's going down also really hard. This is the update for IOTA. Where is the bottom? Where's the next trading opportunity if you would like to make a long position? For the moment, it's looking really hard for the crypto market, but I will check IOTA now with you guys. This is the analysis for IOTA. Let's start this one now. So the quick overview, here are the top 50 to 100 coins, and we can see the most loser here is Rune, KCS, Ape, MKR, Ape, Sand, and so on and so on. Where is IOTA? IOTA is here in the middle field, and IOTA is going down also with 14%. It's really hard, guys. It's really hard. 14% in the minus. If we are watching IOTA here from 25 crypto, what can we see? We are going down with... Yes, we're going down really hard. We have a very bearish technical score here, 4.8 points. And we can see the lowest point was 0.25. Now we have 0.24. So we have the new lowest point. The highest one was 30 cents in 24 hours. And that's not good, guys, if we are watching this one. Let's go directly into IOTA. Let's check this one directly. Here's the chart picture. What's going on with IOTA? I told you last time we are buying the next wedge, the next triangle here, and what can we see? We broke out to the downside. It was a nice chart picture, my last video, and you can see I showed you we have the next targets to watch, and if we will see a breakout to the upside, it's possible to see 48.50 cents. If we are going down from this wedge, I told you guys we will see maybe 22 cents. And yes, of course, we are going down. We are breaking down. We broke this triangle to the downside. And now is the big question, what's going on next? So, first of all, our last spike to the downside was this point. It is the point 0. It is 23 cents. This is the next big target, in my opinion. And if we will reach 23 cents, you can see it is the Fibonacci line, the 0.1. This was the last low. This is the next big support. If we're going down more, we can see, yes, of course, this is 22 cents. It is the bottom of our downtrend. It is not good, guys. We are going down really hard with a big downtrend. But look at this. I also have here this cup and handle. I know it, guys. I have it here since long time. A lot of guys out there are telling me, no, PD, it can't be like this. It can't be. Yes, we are really low with this point. I know it. For the normal thing, we have here a point that we can't go so deep with this handle, but it is a try. It is a little light on the end of this tunnel. A little hope for an end of this bad downtrend for IOTA and the big crypto market. So if this can break out to the upside, we need to break the handle to the upside. We need to break the middle line of this one. We need to break the upper side here on this one. And if we can break out from this parallel channel to the downside, a lot of ifs, I know it, guys. We have a target here to 30. Okay, let me tell it, 30 US dollar. It depends always where we will break out here, maybe here, 26. I can't predict the future, guys, but it is still possible. Cup, handle, break out to the upside. Yes, why not? But for the moment, we are not speaking more about this one. For the moment, we are speaking about more this one. We are back again in the daily time frame. Every candle is 1 day. What is the next move? So this was a perfect call to the downside. It was a perfect short opportunity. Okay, guys. Now we are going down to 23, 24, 22 maybe. We need to watch if we can see some support here. Let's check the indicators. Let's check the favorites. Biti's favorites, and this is the moving average convergence money flow index indicator. Let's check this one first. Oh, my eyes biting. The money flow index indicator on the day. Guys, it is really bad. We saw here a point about 66 points here on this point, and after this one we broke down to the downside. We broke our nice support here. You can see this was a support. We broke it down. So on the daily time frame, it's really ugly. Let's check the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we are going down like this one here. This is our big resistance here. You can see we tried to fight back this one. Here a resistance is always a red one. Yes, of course. Here a fight, here a fight, here a fight. the next thing maybe to the upside, not impossible. Is here a possible bottom? Let me check this one from here over this point to here. And what's going on now? We are fighting with the support line. So yes, of course, if we are watching the weekly time frame, we have a nice support here. We have a nice support line. And we are fighting with this. We are under the support line. It's a little resistance. Now it's really, really hard to say on the weekly time frame, but we are trying to fight with this support line, a triangle, a really important triangle. And we have a lot of space to the downside also, guys. So it's maybe not over for the moment for IOTA. It's maybe possible that 23 cents, 22 cents will not hold. This is a really, really bad stuff on the weekly time frame. I can see it here. But guys, it is ugly, I know it, but I have to tell you this one. It is possible the MFI is not oversold, 37 points. Everything over 20 is oversold. It is not oversold on the weekly time frame. And it's possible that we are going down here more and more. Where is the next big pattern, the next try for a long position? And it is really deep, it is really hard. Let me show you here. We saw here in this area a nice fight. Here on this point, it is really low. I know it, guys, it is really low, but it is possible, not impossible. It's not impossible to go down like this, 15 cent, 14 cent, something like this one. Up here again, fight with the middle line here, fight, and then down. It's not impossible. The whole crypto market is going down really hard. The whole crypto market is bleeding, and guys, we should buy if the streets are bleeding, okay, but it is possible to cut your fingers, and it is possible to go down here more and more and more. We need to watch this. We need to watch this. Weekly time frame. What's going on with the moving average? I think it's really bad. Let's forget it. Let's check the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD, and the MACD on the weekly time frame is showing that we may build the bottom here. Look at this, guys. Look at this one here. We may build a bottom here. If we are watching the MACD, we have here this point. It was maybe the bottom. After this, the candles are going up here more and more. We need higher lows, not lower lows. Really important for the MACD. I know it, we're going down, but it is maybe a try for a bottom building. Maybe. If you're building the next one bigger as this one, it is a really big problem, guys. If you're watching the MACD, let's check this one on the day. The day is bad. The day is really, really bad, guys. Why it is so bad? You can see it here. We are buying the first. Oh, it's so bad. No good news for IOTA. We are buying the first red candle here to the downside. We see a cross blue line under the brown line. Daily time frame. It's absolutely a big catastrophic. You can see it here. We're buying the first red one here. We have still time for the day for about 12 hours, but we are buying the first red candle to the downside. Really, really bad. 4-hour time frame. Yes, bad candles to the downside. Not good. MFI is going down again. We can see it here. We saw an oversold MFI here. We have some space to the downside here. So yes, of course, 22 cents. Why not to see this one soon? It is not impossible. It's not looking so good, guys. Let's check the prediction. What is telling us CoinCodex with the price prediction for IOTA? IOTA is really, really, really bad down here on place number 69. And if we're watching the price prediction, what can we see? We need to check it here with predictions. So the price prediction for IOTA. Yes, we have extreme fear in the market. We are bearish. I know it, guys. 9% bullish, 91% bearish. This is telling us we are going down to 24, 23 here maybe on July. Okay, let's check, show more. What is telling us the price prediction here? Oh, it's not looking so good. Maybe a little move to the upside, 12%, 13%. So yes, maybe a little move to the upside, 13%, June the 16th. But after this, down again, 23, 21, 19, 18. Guys, it's looking bad. If you're watching CoinCodex with the price prediction until July the 13th, it's looking bad. We may see 18 cents. And if we are checking this one here, this is Bitcoin, here's IOTA, 18 cents is a really bad stuff. July the 18th, let's check, let's make a price label. July the 18th with 18 cents. This would be here on this point, maybe. So it's showing us we are going down more and more in this parallel channel to the downside, and maybe we will lose it. Maybe we make a spike under it. That's not really good. This would mean we will lose the last low. This would mean we are going down under 23 cents. And guys, that's not good. The technical target, before we end this update, the technical target for this triangle was, let me show you. It was like this one here. And it is better to draw it like this one. And the technical target is, you can draw it from the highest point to the lowest point and set this line from here to here. Perfect. Perfect. The technical target, you can see it is 23 cents. So yes, it's possible to go down more and more. 23, 22 is if we're spiking down a little bit, and after this up to the upside. But the technical target of this pattern is here 23 cents for IOTA, and this is not good. It is not good, guys. On the 1 hour time frame, let's zoom in a little bit more. On the 1 hour time frame, we are building maybe if we can a new higher low. 24 cents is here the point, 24.28, and here 24 to but it's looking for me as a new yes, a little bit. The spike is a little higher, so it is a new higher low. Maybe we have 27 minutes to close with this one. After this we have maybe a new higher low, but you can see higher low, bam, down again. Not impossible to see this also here on the 4 hour on the 1 hour time frame. If we are checking really quick the ribbon band is here as a big resistance. On the 1 hour, not a big thing. On the 4 hour, not a big thing. On the daily, not a big thing. Okay, let's forget the ribbon band. You can see it is a big resistance, 33 cents. We are going down really hard. Revisit this one here, 27, 28. Okay, maybe a little pump to the upside. Please, come on, little IOTA. Let's show us some little pump. Okay, guys, for the moment, that's it for IOTA. This is the IOTA update. It's not looking so nice. It is a quick overview, and I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, this is not a financial advice. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your thumbs to the upside, for all your sharings all over the internet, and for your nice comments. Guys, have a nice time. Greetings. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, your IOTA trading informant. Bye, guys.
System activated.